actually guys, I have a story. Kasi before going here, I had a very, very, very big opportunity to perform with Mr. David Foster in the Philippines. And sobrang napakalaking opportunity nun for me and I didn't expect anything. Basta ginawa ko lang po yung part. What? Sample! Ay, pwede kong gawin, but di ko magpapromise kung magagawa ko siya ng maganda. Okay lang po uminom ng tubig bago ko magbigay ng request. So you want me to try it here? Okay, try po natin. Sige. Like ko siya ng Pechanga eh. Pechanga, mahal na mahal ko kayo. Okay, let's do it. Alam mo guys, every time na ginagawa ko yung kinakabahan ako kaya maraming salamat ako. Wow, thank you! Maraming salamat Pechanga. I really love the support. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po.
Grabe!
Dahil dyan, nandito na si Kuya.
Oh my goodness!